Welcome to daily CSAT practice session. Make sure you subscribe to this so that you'll get better in answering comprehension in CSAT section. This question has been asked in the year 2024. So let's look at the question. According to the Food and Agriculture Organization, 1/3 of food produced for human consumption is lost or wasted globally. Food is lost or wasted throughout the supply chain from initial agriculture production to final household consumption. The increasing wastage of results in land degradation by about 45%, mainly due to deforestation, unsustainable agricultural practices, and excessive groundwater extraction. The energy spent over waste food results in much about 3.5 billion tons of carbon dioxide production every year. Decay also leads to harmful emissions of other gases in the atmosphere. Addressing the loss and wastage of food in all forms of is critical to complete the cycle of food efficiency and food sustainability. Let's look at the statements which reflects most logical and rational inference that can be made from the passage. The first statement says that the current methods of food distribution are solely responsible for the loss and wastage of food. Whenever you see a statement which adds only into the statement, make sure you remove it. You can ignore it. In this statement, solely is the keyword because the author is didn't solely made responsible for it. Second statement, land productivity is adversely affected by the prevailing trend of food loss and wastage. This statement looks better. And third statement is the reduction in the loss and wastage of food results in the lesser carbon footprint. It is also looks good. Post-harvest technologies to prevent or reduce the loss and wastage of food. The statement looks right, but I don't think author has mentioned in the passage. So let's look at the answer. So as we discussed before, the first statement, the current methods of food distribution are solely responsible for the loss and wastage of food. The passage indicates that food is lost and wasted, but that doesn't mean it is food distribution is solely responsible is not the right statement. As we discussed, the right answers would be 2 and 3. So answer is B. Let's look at the second question. Based on the above passage, the following assumptions have been made. The food distribution mechanism needs to be reimagined and made effective to reduce the loss and wastage of food. Looks good. Ensuring the reduction of wastage and loss of food is a social and moral responsibility of all citizens. Which of the assumptions are above is are valid? Let's look at the passage once again to make sure we answer it properly. In the passage, it says, according to the Food and Agriculture Organization, the 1/3 of food produced for human consumption is lost wasted globally. Food is lost wasted through the supply chain from its initial agricultural production to final household consumption. As of now, first statement from the second question makes sense. When it comes to second statement, ensuring the reduction of wastage and loss of food is social and moral responsibility of all citizens. I don't think author has directly mentioned it. Let's look at the answer. As we discussed, the right answer is first option in the second question. Second option is invalid because it might underlines the responsibility, but I don't think it directly makes a statement about social and moral responsibility of all citizens. It might emphasizes as it underlines it, but not directly. So the right answer is A only. And subscribe to my channel to make sure you get better in CSAT comprehensive.